Robot anatomy. In this figure we can see that robot generally has three parts: body, arm and wrist assembly. Robot consists of joints and links. Joints provide the relative motion to the links. As we can see that in this figure, this is one first joint, this is second joint, third joint, fourth joint, which provides the links to the members, which is known as links. Links are rigid members between the joints, and there are mainly two types of joints in the robots such as linear, which provide the translation motion, and second one is the rotary, which provide the rotation, and each joints provide a degree of freedom. And robot manipulator consists of two sections. First one is body and arm, and second one is the wrist assembly. Body and arm are used to position the objects in the robot's work volume or workspace, and this wrist assembly is used to orient the objects, which is held by this gripper or end effector. And in this figure we can see that wrist assembly generally has 3 degree of freedom or 2 degree of freedom, which is roll, pitch and yaw. Roll means rotation about z axis, pitch means rotation about y axis, and yaw means rotation about x-axis. And wrist assembly is generally attached to the end of the robotic arm, and it has generally attached a robotic end effector which perform the task. And function of wrist assembly is to orient end effector of the robot, and we already discussed that it has 2 or 3 degree of freedom that are roll, pitch and yaw.